Welcome to another Playmo AF unbagging video, everyone. Today's edition is being partly filmed at the airport. No kidding. Let's do it. We got another quickie for you, Playmo pals. We are currently in Virginia waiting to board our flight from Roanoke Airport for our return trip to Florida. And as we wait and the crowd is minimal, I have for you today one Playmobil Series 23 Girls Mystery figure. We'll take a look at this one now and unbox our Special Plus figure later. Alright, hope everyone's had a great summer, and for all you kids starting or returning to school, I hope you have a fun, safe, and exciting year of learning adventures, if that's what you can call them. But I had a great time, so hopefully you will too. Alright, so we've got this one spilled out here, and I'm assembling. I'm not even sure what it is here. She is blue, for starters. There doesn't appear to be any duplicate parts in this one. And as I assemble her, I'm thinking we may have someone who studies in some manner the art of Kung Fu, Taekwondo, Karate, Jiu-Jitsu. I don't know for sure, but unlike the majority of clickies I've seen wearing a gi, which is the formal name for the uniform she's wearing, this one is all blue with some red markings and has a waistband or obi with some stripes that I think indicate the levels she has advanced to. Other than that, there's not much else to say about this one. Nice figure overall, though, and I could have had one or two more for you, but I wanted to spoil my grandson a little during this trip to the local Playmobil store. This one is actually quite nice. I was very tempted to buy the little dojo set at the Playmobil store, the very Playmobil store we were just at the other day, and I didn't. I think this would have been a nice little addition there. But other than that, very cool markings. Other than that, there's not a whole lot else. So let's go ahead and fly home and let's do another review of our Special Plus figure. Okay, now we're back in Florida. We are going to review the second figure, which is not a mystery bag. It is actually a Special Plus figure. We're looking today at the Environmentalist. So taking a look at the front of the box here, we do have a female environmentalist who is dressed in some rain gear and shorts. She is on the shoreline after all, and she is picking up trash. The little white specks you see on the right and in the center of the image there are seashells, which I'm not a big fan of opening those because those tend to get lost very quickly, and there's not a whole lot you can do with them. They're not as useful as, say, the trash or even that little squeeze bottle of sun lotion there in the environmentalist's hand. Let's see what we've got on the side here. There is a continuation of that front image. You can see the rest of the seashells there and the waves crashing on the beach right there. And then on the other side, we do have the Special Plus brand logo, and further over to the side, we do have the barcode, the Playmobil logo, and the recycling icon there. The bottom has some of the choking hazard warnings. The top has the country of manufacturer and distributor. The back has the remaining choking hazard warnings and all of our contents photographed individually, as well as the price tag. But that's enough for the box details, guys. Let's go ahead, crack this thing open, and see what's inside. First things first, we have our small little sticker sheet. Looks like we've got the suntan lotion SPF 30 label there, and what appears to be a milk jug label. Okay, so aside from the stickers there, we do have the bag. This is the bag that the environmentalist throws all of the trash away into. Now this is a cool item. This is very new to me. This is a net, and I guess you throw in some dead fish or some of the cans maybe in there. We'll see. We gotta inspect the front of the package again, see what they had in there. Here's our suntan lotion. Here's a milk jug. Here's the top of the cup and the straw. Here's the cup. Here's the cup assembled. Fish bones, Lieutenant Dan. a tin can, made of plastic, mind you. Here's those pesky seashells. You only get 4 in there. I thought I counted 5 in the front of the package there. But it doesn't matter because these are not coming out ever. Here's our environmentalist. She does have a hat, which we need to put on there. And to make her ensemble a little bit more complete, she does have these cuffs, which I really dig these orange cuffs here. I wonder if I could order some of these separately to customize some of my figures here. All right, and here is our environmentalist with all of her things beside her, including the little red cup. As you can see, it's by her foot. For all we know, it's actually hers. She may have stopped by McDonald's and grabbed herself a large sweet tea before heading off to the beach to work and pick up a trash belonging to everybody else but her, and keeping our beaches safe and clean. But anyway, overall, great figure. I love that it came with all this other stuff. It'd be great to use in other sets and for toy photography. For you guys, even if you're into that sort of thing, it's good to have little bits and pieces to kind of authenticate the Playmobil setting, the Playmobil environment, and what your clickies are doing in that photo. And that is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and subscribe if you haven't, and check us out on Instagram. You can find us at playmo.af. Until then, guys, thanks a lot again for watching. We've got sets on the way for all you people that are probably bored of watching me unbox and review clickies only. We do have a few sets on the way, so check out those when they get posted. Other than that, guys, till then, have a great day. We'll see ya. Bye.